Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to write text in Square in Photoshop. Let's begin. This video is very easy. I have a square. Write text. Click the text. Right click. Type horizontal type tool. Okay. Then text. Select the text color. Text size 6. Then type inside for this click and type outside shape for square. Click. Type text. Click dot. Double click. Increase the size. Okay, go to paragraph, show, fill. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.